excited? Mommy's let you in here now? You're okay. Get down. You can do it. Jump. Oh, my baby. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another video. Duh. I recently went to Dollar Tree a couple days ago before we full on lockdown here in Connecticut, and I grabbed some stuff that I've seen people haul on TikTok from Dollar Tree hauls, which I have to say, if you are one of the lot of people that have recently followed me, thank you. My TikTok favorites video has over 30,000 views, which is so crazy, so thank you again for that. I really do appreciate it. I've seen a lot of this makeup, so I figured we'd try it today, and I still have yet to try out the new Wet n Wild Dewy Photo Focus Foundation, which I think is going to be way too light for me. We might mix this, we might not. We just bronze it up, I don't know. So with that being said, if you want to see me try that out, LA Colors Cream Brow Gel, the LA Colors Lip Oil, an e.l.f. eyeliner, and a LA Colors eyeliner. So today we're just going to see how they all perform. Let's just jump in. To save some time, I'm going to come back after I apply my primer, so give me a minute. Alright, and we're back. So now we are going to go in with the Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation, which again, I think this is a little too light for you, girl. We'll make it work since obviously, I'm not going anywhere. Same applicator as the regular Photo Focus, which I do have to say, I do like the regular Photo Focus. I don't know, I've had such a love-hate relationship with it, and I love Wet n Wild makeup, so I don't know. Then I'm going to use one of my Shop Miss A sponges. I love these sponges. I think these are my new favorite, to be completely honest, because like a pack of 6 for $5, and they're super squishy. Squishy, squishy, squishy. I think I could have done a darker color. I'm really trying now, because I never did before, to find my perfect foundation shade in whatever foundation I wear, because I feel like I wear the a lighter shade, which is always good to do, so don't get me wrong, like I'm not going to go back on that. But now that I'm getting older, I feel like I just want my foundation to match without any issues. It doesn't actually smell like the other one, which everyone says the other one smells like paint thinner. It actually doesn't smell like that, and it's actually blending out pretty good. It smells like perfume. I could be crazy, but I didn't use anything different besides my Mario Badescu spray and my e.l.f. Putty Primer. Oh no, it's kind of weird. Reminds me a lot of the e.l.f. foundation, which I love that foundation, but I decided to part ways with it recently because it smells too much like a man's cologne, and the smell is just too much for me personally. So that is the first layer of what it looks like. I don't think it looks too bad. I just obviously have some trouble spots still because that's just my life at this point now. I'll give you guys a little bit of tea. So I think it's between me trying to eat better and my body's trying to balance to that, and trying to cut out sugar as much as I can, even though I keep eating it because I'm just stupid like that. I think just me trying to change that, and also first TikTok recommendations video, which another one will be filmed and coming soon. You guys saw the first one talked about the cleansing bar. Now I decided to stop using that because somebody said that on TikTok, or a skin expert, I think I've already talked about this, that it contains coconut oil, which coconut oil will clog your pores. And I think that's what happened to me, because the more I kept using it, the worse my face got. And then coming off of it this last month, my skin has just been terrible. I like to say, like, I normally don't really have bad skin, but that just like put me over the edge, basically. Like, not a good time. Okay, so now that my foundation is on, I got mine in Shell Ivory, by the way. I think I definitely would go up a color if I decided I really like this foundation. It smells like perfume, unless it's not the sponge. The sponge didn't smell like perfume. I don't know. So now I'm just going to finish the rest of my face and adding concealer and powder and all that, and then we will continue on with eyes and eyebrows. And we're back. Hey guys, so I just did this eye look just cause why not? I've honestly had kind of trouble with the Amrezi palette, which I got a while ago, and because like at first I was like, oh my god, nudes, and it's colorful and it's pretty and it's glittery and like everything I love in pink, but I have a lot of problems with these browns because they're very warm tone, and I don't think I'm a very warm tone kind of person when it comes to those kind, but I did manage to do this look. OG in my crease, Semsa on the outer corner, Cupcake all on my lid, and then I put Dragon right in the inner corner, and then I tried to put Anastasia in the corner too, but it kind of didn't really look like that. Anyway, nobody cares, Sam. Move on. So my inside of my nose is very itchy. If you see me doing this, I'm not picking my nose. The first thing we're actually going to try out is the lip oil, which is in grape. This is the only kind that my Dollar Tree had. And you know what? These times you take what you can get, okay? I really don't. Ew. Oh, this smells like. All right, I'll just go put it on. Apparently these are really good, but it's stuck with grape. Feels nice and lit so far. So good. I'm down for a lip oil as long as it can moisturize my lips. I just say that it smells like grape because it reminds me of this chewable Tylenol medicine my mom used to make me take when I was little. So I don't really like that, but whatever, make it work. We are going to go in with eyeliner. So here we have an e.l.f. eyeliner pencil, which has the sharpener built in, which is always good. This is a brightening eyeliner, shade Coffee. Now, I used to have brown eyeliners, and I always used to say it was just easier for me to have like a toned down look, but still look put together. But I didn't want to wear black eyeliner. This is what it looks like. It is just this brown shade. We'll swatch it. Brown. There you go. So I'm actually going to put this in my waterline and see how it looks. I don't even think this is going to end very well because reasons. I do think it's more on my lower lashes than anywhere else, but I do like this as just like a little extra, just smoke out with your eye look or something like that. I think this will be great for that for me personally, which is one of the reasons why I got it, and because I was like, oh my god, Dollar Tree, everything's $1. Anyone else go crazy and do that, or is that just me? The LA Colors eye marker in black. It is smudge proof, and I always love little eyeliners like this. It just makes life so much easier for me. Kind of want to put on lashes. I don't know. I do have some lashes over here that I can put on. I feel like this is one of those products that's been in the package so long because nobody buys it. Because it's like turning yellow. Should I be concerned? Who knows, guys? We might all end up just shopping at Dollar Tree from now on because the world just hates everything now. Okay, cool. You know what? I think I might put lashes on. I have a couple here that from Shop Miss A that I really like that look really good on me. So we might put those on. I didn't think it was possible. But even now that I've had the lip oil on for a little bit, I'm starting to like taste it. I'm sorry, you guys, I can't. That was actually kind of starting to make me feel sick. Yeah, I don't know about that. Oh, it's so tiny and cute. I really love tiny and cute little eyeliners. It has a little thing in it too. That's awesome. This would be like really travel friendly, like on the go. So we're just gonna, I'm scared. Okay. So far that's what we got, and it actually went on pretty good. It does feel a little wet still, but so far so good. And it's actually kind of easy for me to hold. It's really hard for me to do liner. Eyeliner is not one of my strong suits. Never has been, never will, but that's what the other eye looks like. It dried down pretty well. I don't really notice it irritating me or anything right now. So far so good. Gooby! Oh my god! Gooby, you can't do that to mommy! Oh my god, I can't. That was really funny. Wow. Now I'm actually going to put on some lashes. These are from Shop Miss A. I think these are called the Alexis lashes, and they're all like bent out of shape, so that's really fun. We love a bent out of shape queen. Fun fact, I did have a pair of these lashes on before, like a while ago when I first got my Shop Miss A package in the mail, and I had my lashes out on my makeup table, and I came home from work one day and the door to this room was open, which we like to normally keep it shut because we usually don't like Gooby in here because we have so much stuff in here. Snuck in here and they were on the floor crumpled in a ball and she was playing with them. So I found one of them, threw it out. I don't know where the other one went, so for all I know she could have ate it. That's great. Anyway, so now I'm going to put on this lash glue. This is the A+ Super Strip Lash Adhesive from AOA Studio. You can find it on Shop Miss A, and I'm literally just going to put this right over the eyeliner I just did because it makes lashes a lot easier for me to apply personally. So that's what we're going to do right now. Make sure there's a good coat on there. I also want to say when you're doing this, you really want to try and be careful not get it in your actual lashes because it's going to be awful, which I just did. So cool. So now I have thick eyeliner, which I didn't really plan on doing. Alright, so I'm going to let this set for just like a minute. It really just makes life a lot easier for me. And I know I didn't put mascara on first. You guys are going to probably be like, Sam, why did you do it like that? Because why not? This is literally like, I don't know why I didn't think to like apply lashes like this before, but it just makes life so much easier. Well, I think that's as good as I'm going to get it. I'm going to come back when I finish my eyes and we'll do the eyebrows. Okay guys, so finally the last product, now that I've finally got my lashes on, hello. LA Colors Brow Cream Gel Brow Pomade. This is in deep brown. We're gonna use this as sparingly as possible. Obviously, I do have dark brows, but I also have blonde hair, so I don't like the whole having dark brows and blonde hair. I just don't like that for me personally. I just think it looks really, really harsh on me. Also, I've discovered since I did dye my hair blonde, yes, I dyed it. I didn't say bleached because I used a hair dye kit. I don't want to talk about it. You guys will hear about that in the vlog. I feel like I shouldn't have bought this. I can't even get it out of the packaging. Are you serious? What is happening? You know how it will pop right out? It's not. It's like stuck in there. Okay, there we go. I got it. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, that's always a good thing. It is a very dark red tone brown. That's fun. So I don't want to ruin my brush, I'm gonna use one of my small little Sephora magnetic brushes. Believe my brows. I'm probably the kind of girl that shouldn't even be using pomade, but okay, you guys. I just have to show you this. I'm dipping my brush into it right now, and it's like two-toned. Like, do you see that? It's like two-toned where I put the brush. All right, so we're just gonna go right in. I like to rub off the excess. And I go underneath my brow first, and then I go along the top, or my natural. This stuff's very slippery. Like, there's not like you have to be very careful when you use this stuff. That's one brow done. It honestly doesn't look that bad. I was really nervous that this was gonna be like that red brown color, but since it's not coming off like that in the container, I'm like going as light as I can too. I'm just gonna feather it through the rest of the brow. I'm a little shook because I actually really like how my brows just came out. And this is a really dark pomade. I'm actually using the Kylie one right now till it expires. If I had the choice, I definitely would not get it in this dark of a color, but since Dollar Tree only had the dark brown one left, okay, I see you. I see you. So I'm just gonna spoolie my brows like I normally would, get the rest of the product through evenly. Brow gel, which I'm back to my Essence Make Me Brow Now. Finish the e.l.f. one. I really want to get the Kylie one again. I really did like the Kylie one a lot. I felt that one was really good. And then a trick I actually learned from watching the Doja Cat's Vogue tutorial. Brows are still a little wet, but put translucent powder over them. They don't look as harsh. And I usually highlight underneath, and I don't think I'm gonna do that today just because. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup. I will finish this video. Okay guys, hi. So this is my natural hair. I feel like I haven't had natural hair in like so long. It is actually really snowing outside today, which is so crazy. Anyways, so this is what my makeup is looking like now. It's probably a little crazy, but I went a little crazy. So my makeup actually looks really good. I'm very impressed with the brow stuff. If my eye looks really weird on this side, please ignore it, or this one. I don't even know. Anyways, we're gonna continue on, even though I probably look like I'm like, ugh, and all cockeyed right now. So in conclusion, my final thoughts on all the things I've tried in this video. The foundation so far, I do really like it. It doesn't feel very heavy on me or very cakey. I hate it when I get that feeling. You guys know that's like one of my pet peeves. So far, I don't really notice it, and it does give me like a nice little dewy glow without, like, obviously I just put a ton of highlighter on, but you get what I mean. Like, it does give me a nice little, it's not so mattifying, which I think will be great for the spring and summer when it gets warmer and not snowing Connecticut. As far as the LA Colors makeup goes, the lip oil, I don't know what happened with this. I was wearing it and then I could still taste it in my throat as we speak, even though I'm wearing different lipstick and lip gloss right now. It just, oh my god, it was just not a fun time. It started to make me feel really nauseous and sick, and the smell was just overwhelming. If any of you guys did manage to get one of these lip oils, let me know if you had the same thing happen to you, if you also got the grape one. I know there's a strawberry one, and I think there might be a couple other flavors, but this was again the only one I was able to find at my Dollar Tree. But I did like how nice and glossy and juicy made my lips, but overall it's just, this is a no from me. This is a no from me. The eyeliner I really liked. I like how small and tiny it is. It did have really good payoff. It was really easy to work with, and I really like that it's tiny too for travel, and for me personally, because I'm really not that great with eyeliner. I really like this, and I will continue to use it. And then I think what most surprised me the most about all the LA Colors makeup I bought, brow cream gel. As you guys can see, my brows are like on fleek. Like, it looks so good. I can't even right now, and I'm really impressed. I really love my brows. I think they came out really good, but this does have a little bit more slippery of a texture than like the Anastasia Brow Wiz or even the Kylie brow that I'm using from her right now. That one still has a little grip to it, so if, you know, you could still have a little bit of control. This is just easy slip. Like, you need to be very careful with this. I would say with this, you definitely have to be careful. A little goes a long way, and you definitely have to just go very slow with it. You can, of course, you can easily wipe it away, but just like, if you didn't want to buy this, just be very careful with it. A little does a lot. Like, I really didn't need a lot at all, and my brows look really good, and I'm actually very impressed. Of course, you guys know the e.l.f. eyeliner. It's e.l.f. e.l.f. has pretty decent products. I do like the eyeliner. I think it went on really easy, and this will be great for me to continue to use as just like a little, you know, to smoke out my eye, to smoke out my eye look, or like underneath my eye or whatever I'm feeling like that day. So I do like that it has a cute little built-in sharpener in there for on the go if I do take it anywhere when I travel. I do realize I look really pale, so I apologize for that, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and entertained you, took you away from some of the bullshit going on in the world right now. I can't believe it's snowing as much as it is right now. Like literally 5 minutes, not even 4 minutes ago that I started filming this clip, it was just flurries, and now it's full on snowing. I don't know. I don't know. Whatever. Let's hope it just gets all the negativity out of the world, if y'all get what I mean. But I love you guys so much. Hope you have an awesome day. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. Like this video if you enjoyed. Turn on bell post notifications so you know when I post a new video. What's the matter, Gooby? And of course, hope you guys enjoyed Gooby too, climbing up on my chair, because there's that. So I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.